Hi, my name is Sandy. I'm with the Maids Home Services, and I wanted to talk to you about how to clean burnt food and grease out of a microwave. Time is a real big issue here. You want to make sure that you have time to treat the area because obviously you can't wipe over it with a cloth and some cleaner. You want to make sure that you're pre-treating with a good all-purpose cleaner that has a degreaser in it, and make sure that you have a scrubby. Make sure that you are pre-treating and allowing 2 to 5 minutes before you start scrubbing. You want to use your scrub pad, make sure that you're scrubbing the area. You'll have to apply force, and after that, use your cloth. Make sure you have a good cloth to wipe up any excess. If it doesn't come off after that first try, definitely you may need to do that 2 and 3 times, and you can use longer pre-treating times as well too. You can always spray it in, do something else in the kitchen, and then come back to it. It's definitely not going to hurt the area, and the longer that you pre-treat, the longer, or actually the shorter time you'll have in cleaning. And that'll be how you clean burnt food or grease out of a microwave.